Welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. So today I am going to show you some variations on a side braid. Now, I'm used to braids that go straight down the back of your head, or two braids, or a side braid, starting here. But lately I've been seeing these braids that go sideways down the hair, which is so neat. And I like it especially these days because it's something that you can see from the front. So if you're doing video conferencing for work or school, it's something that's visible. So I'm going to show a few different ways to do it. I'm going to start with a side part. See, I usually do my side part on the other side, but I kind of wanted the braid to come down this way. Yeah, no harm in having it come down the other way. My hair's more used to this. Okay. I'm going to start with a fishtail version. Brush my hair to this side. One of the things that's interesting about this is you're going to slowly be gathering all of your hair into it. So a lot of it is kind of coming a long way to get to that braid. So we're going to do it as a Dutch braid because it'll be easier to take hair in without the hair coming over the top and overwhelming the braid. So I'm going to take a big, doesn't have to be this big, but take a section, split it in half. Now I'm going to take a little bit from this side, and instead of going over, I'm going to go under to join it to the other side. And then this side, a little bit, pass it under and join it. Now, on this one, we're going to start adding hair. So, take a little bit from the side, add some hair to it, and pass it under, join it to the other side. A little bit of hair. Grab a little here, pass it under, and join it. You'll notice this is not a lace style braid. We are taking in pieces on both sides. Join it together. Try to keep it pretty flush to your scalp and not like out here. Okay, now we've brought in all of the hair. Kind of hate how you can't really see the details on black hair, but we're now going to continue the fishtail like normal. Instead of adding hair to it, we just take a small section on one side, pass it over to the next. Keep passing it the same way underneath. I should have taken smaller bits. Smaller bits would make this nicer. You can also pancake this a little bit. To give that nice fluffy in look, but I'm not very happy with this on me. So I'm going to try the next one, which is a rope braid. Okay, same principle. We're going to grab hair. I'm going to try to keep it really, really high up here. So the detail will start here instead of like down here. Split in two. Then start twisting to the front, pass over to the back. Take in some hair, twist to the front, pass over to the back. Let's see, should I be taking on both sides? No. I'm going to try only taking on the hairline side. I think that's the right way to do this one. Alright, passing, turning to the front, twisting to the back. I'm bringing the hair across to meet the braid where it is. That's going to give it a loose and romantic look. Okay, and then again, oops, doing a regular braid for the rest of the length as much as you want to. This kind of side braid is, you can't put it behind you. It's really weird that way. It's going to stay in front of you all the time, and that's just how it is. Oh my, how Veronica Lake. For the final variation, I'm going to try to do just regular Dutch braid, and instead of keeping it really against my hairline, I'm going to try to actually make it go straight down the side, because I think that's so cool looking. So to do that, I start my section right in the center of the side there. And start a Dutch braid, passing sections underneath. Okay, take from both sides. It's not as clear with this kind of braid. You know, when you're doing it straight down the back of your head, it's really clear, like take a section from hairline, take a section from hairline, take a section from hairline. And here, it's take a section from the hairline on one side, and the other side it's like, kind of make it up. We don't know. And then, of course, we can also pancake this, because that is very in to have the real loose, fluffy braids. Okay, there we go. And let's see, where's my gel? Oh, I think I left it downstairs. I would normally put a little bit of gel to slick these flyaways down, but basically that is it. So which variation do you want to try? Be sure to check the link in the description box to sign up for my weekly roundup newsletter. You're going to get a few goodies like an exclusive hairstyle tutorial, a free printable, and the opportunity to purchase my ebook, Hair Oils and How to Use Them, at half price. So again, link is in the description box, and I look forward to seeing you next time.